my face off camera. Okay, so you've got bookmarked the Fuse page and Zoetis DX dashboard. So this is the Fuse page. When you first log into it, it's going to come into tests. So this is going to show your tests. Now, unfortunately, it will not recognize pet names. You're going to have to start using ID numbers. So and you can take off the A and the OO, that's fine. But in order for it to all transfer, you're going to have to start using numbers rather than names. So you'll have to make sure everybody knows that. But under the tests, it's just going to show you here's all of the test results that have been done. So the previous ones with pet names will not come in. But if you need to get these results right up here, it says PDF, you can just click on that and it will bring up, slowly but surely, a PDF ready to print of the comprehensive diagnostic. So they are going to be on 2 separate pages because this takes up a whole page already. But you will still have the combined printing once they get that up. So you will be able to do it on 1 page. So the other thing you can do is search by patients. So like, see, it says Cheyenne, and that's because we changed the ID number in there to not have the number in the OOs. So we actually added that number, so it transferred over. You can still enter the patient name, but you have to have a number for it to transfer, so you'll have to do both.
Okay.
So that's the Fuse page. It's pretty straightforward. Connectivity, over on the left-hand side here, will show you that both the analyzers are online. If that isn't blue saying online, then there's a connectivity problem. So, and I'll show you the Fuse as well. That's kind of it for the Fuse page. It's pretty simple. Now Zoetis DX, the other one, does not have any results in there yet because it's not communicating yet. You haven't run any more blood work with patient ID numbers. Once you do, everything will come into this page, and what you'll have is just a list of pet names, and each pet, when you click on it, it'll show the 2 blood works that were done. Now, the nice thing about Zoetis DX is you can look by patients or you can look by results. So there's 2 ways to search, but you also have all the way down here at the bottom, you have something called consultations. If you click on that, if the doctors have any questions as far as a case that they have questions about or would like some advice on, you can sign up to speak with a specialist. So an oncologist, internal medicine, whatever the specialty is. So you would pick the specialty. So let's say we want to talk to somebody about small animal internal medicine. And you can do it via email or scheduled appointment. Scheduled appointment is via Zoom. Does not have to be video. It's just the platform that they use. So it could be video or just audio. So we'll do a scheduled appointment, and then you click Let's Go. And that will take you into, here's a list of the people that are available the soonest for internal medicine. So there's 2 different people available. These are the times. And you can book a 30-minute consultation with them. When the consultation is done, you will get an email of the transcript of basically what was discussed as well as next best steps.
Oh, that's really cool.
And that's all free of charge. Yep, 100% free.
Wow.
So that's kind of how Zoetis DX works. You can also, with the VS2, since if you have any rotors that error that you want to get credit for, you can now do that in here. Instead of, have you guys been filling out a piece of paper to get rotor credits?
No.
We don't usually have problems with the rotors.
Okay, well if you have any that do error, you can use this online form to get replacement noted.
Nice.
So that'll all be on the Zoetis DX platform for you. And eventually, once you start running some blood work with the numbers, you'll see those start to populate in here.
Cool.